So in this video I will show you how to register a student development program which is organized by IIT Bombay spoken tutorial. So before that the corresponding college, your college has to send a request to spoken tutorial training manager. So here I will show you how to do the process for this course to organize at your college. So initially the faculty from the college they have to send an email for requesting to organize this particular student development program which is going to be offered by IIT Bombay spoken tutorial. So we have to send a request letter like to the particular training manager of IIT Bombay spoken tutorial. So in response to our mail they will be sending us the responses. So these are the responses which were sent by the training manager of IIT Bombay spoken tutorial. So they have asked us some steps or some information to submit. So we have submitted the information. So here I will show you. On sending an email to the IIT Bombay spoken tutorial training person, they have sent the response. You can see on the screen. So these are the details we have to provide: institute name, the particular training program name, event start date, event end date, event coordinator name. So event coordinator name means the faculty, the in charge faculty from the college. So event coordinator contact number, event coordinator email ID. So registration process starting day, ending day. So all these details we have to send it to the training manager of IIT Bombay spoken tutorial. So after sending these details, immediately they will provide a link. So these they have given the link to register the course. So this is the link they have provided, and we were asked to share this link to students so that the students can register the program. So we have sent this link to our students. So this is the link. This is the link we have sent to our students. The students have to click on this link. Then it will be subjecting you to the registration process where the student has to enroll his name for the student development program. So this is nothing but the course or the program we are planning to organize for our students of Magdevi and degree in PG and college. So on request IIT Bombay spoken tutorial officials, they have sent the corresponding details along with this registration form. So you can see here the course starts from July 17th to July 30. This is the duration of the course, and the registration process starts from July 10th to July 16th. So the student has to click on register now button. So it will be subjecting you to a page where the students have to enroll his name. So here the name of the student has to fill the name, email ID. So once the student enters the email ID, an OTP will be sent to email ID. That OTP they have to enter here. So phone number, gender, Maharashtra. So the student has to select the state of the college. So our college belongs to Telangana state, so we have to select Telangana. Then from college list we have to select our college name. So that is Magdevi and degree in PG college. So here you can see Magdevi degree and PG college TLS 00074. So this is our college name. So the student has to select this college. So be careful while filling this form, because once the form is submitted, so there is no chance to edit the form. So FOSS, so the details of the particular student development program will be listed here. So that is, in our case it is eSim. And while registering for the program, So automatically the student will be asked to pay the fee of 236. It is along with 18% of GST. So the student has to pay the fee immediately after completion of this particular registration process. So click on make payment. Then the student has to make the payment. So once the payment is confirmed, then the registration process will be confirmed for the particular training program. So the updates regarding the course, running of the course or assignment or exam test, so that will be sent to the registered email ID of the student. So if you have any queries, you can contact your coordinator at the college. So the same course is offered through NPTEL Swayam program also, but there you don't have any payment or certification process. So the student has to do through only spoken tutorial web page. The same course can be done by faculty also, but instead of it is SDP, for faculty it will be treated as FDP, Faculty Development Program. The faculty has to pay nearly 500 rupees. So this is the process to enroll the name of a student to the particular training program which is sponsored by IIT Bombay spoken tutorial. If the student gets pass in exam, then the student will be supplied with the 2 certificates. One is course completion certificate and course certificate. Course completion certificate, participation certificate. If the students just only participate in the course and fails in exam test, then also the student will be given a particular certificate that is called as a participation certificate.